Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shisak Tombo. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the important notification that has been given by the University Grants Commission for the extension of date regarding the PhD as mandatory requirement for appointment of assistant professors in departments of the universities. And this official notification was out on 12 October 2021, where they have addressed that PhD will not be a mandatory requirement for appointment of assistant professors in the universities. So in today's video, we will try to know why this step has been taken and how far it is going to be applicable for the appointment of assistant professors in the universities. Let's see one by one through this notification. As I have already stated in the beginning of this video that this official notification was out on 12 October 2021, where they have stated that PhD as mandatory requirement for appointment of assistant professors in departments of the university has been extended. So in this notification, they have addressed about the UGC Regulation 2021, where they have mentioned that PhD shall be the mandatory requirement for direct recruitment to the post of assistant professors in universities with the effect from 1st July 2021. And this was the official notification which was out on 13 June 2021, where Shri Prakash Javadekar had announced in the press release that PhD will be the mandatory requirement for the recruitment of assistant professors in universities. However, master's degree with NET or PhD will continue to be the minimum eligibility requirement for direct recruitment to the post of assistant professors in colleges. So from this notification, we came to know that PhD was supposed to be the mandatory requirement for the recruitment of assistant professor in university from 1st July 2021. But in this official notification, they have announced that in view of COVID-19 pandemic, which was affected from the year 2019 till 2021, therefore understanding the situation, they have extended the date of applicability of PhD as mandatory qualification till 1st July 2023. So from this official notification, we have now understood that those students who have qualified CSIR NET or UGC NTA NET, they are now eligible to apply for the post of assistant professors in the department of the universities. And the date is till 1st July 2023. So with this, I want to end my video. Thank you and keep watching Shisak Tombo.